Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, your go-to source for electric vehicle updates and innovations. Today, we're talking about a game-changing car that's set to disrupt the EV market, the Slate truck. Imagine a car that can transform into an SUV, and it's not just some fancy concept. This thing is real. The Slate Auto Company, backed by none other than Jeff Bezos, has announced plans to release an electric pickup truck that can change its shape on the fly. That's right, folks. This $20,000 vehicle can morph from a two-door car to a five-seat SUV in no time. Now we know what you're thinking. Isn't this just another version of a Tesla? Not quite. While both Tesla and Slate offer customization options, the Slate takes it to a whole new level with its radical simplicity. Unlike some EVs on the market, the Slate doesn't come with power windows or an infotainment screen. But hey, who needs those when you can just roll up your sleeves? But what about performance? The Slate's got that covered too. With a single charge, it can go 150 miles. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can shell out some extra cash for a long-range battery that'll take you up to 240 miles on a single charge. So where exactly is this incredible vehicle made? According to TechCrunch, the Slate's built in California and Michigan, engineered in Michigan, and assembled right here in the Midwest. That's some serious commitment to American manufacturing. The best part? The Slate Auto Company just landed $111 million in funding from Jeff Bezos himself, along with Mark Walter and Thomas Tull. It means the company's going all in on bringing this innovative vehicle to market, and we can't wait to see it hit our roads. Now, we're told that the Slate will be available for customers next year, 2026, to be exact. That gives you plenty of time to save up those $20,000 or get ready to trade in your old ride for a futuristic pickup truck. That's all for today on Electro Drive News. Thanks for joining us as we explored the world of electric vehicles and some of the coolest innovations out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the EV revolution. We'll see you next time.